Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an SSH account and configure it in HTTP Injector for a secure and reliable internet connection. If you're looking for a fast, stable, and secure browsing experience, then this video is for you. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our blog for more VPN tips, hidden tricks, and networking tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need is an SSH account. Open your favorite web browser and search for SSH SSL. From the search results, click the official SSH SSL website to open the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, tap the menu button located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the menu list, select SSH Tunnel server. A list of available server locations will appear. Choose your preferred server location and open it. On the account creation page, enter your desired username and password. Complete the captcha verification and then click the Create Now button. Wait a few seconds while the server generates your account. Once the account is successfully created, copy and save the following details: host or IP address, username, password, and available ports. We'll need these details later when configuring HTTP Injector. Now we need the latest version of HTTP Injector. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for HTTP Injector.
Now we need the latest version of HTTP Injector. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for HTTP Injector. Download and install the application. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. After opening HTTP Injector, look at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the arrow icon to access the connection settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see different tunnel and connection options. Leave the tunnel type on its default setting. Now enable the checkbox for SSH/S Tunnel. If your configuration requires a custom payload, you can also enable the custom payload option. Next, tap the gear icon to open the SSH settings. Select Secure Shell, SSH. The SSH configuration page will open. In the SSH Host field, paste the host or IP address that you copied earlier. For the port, enter 443, or use any other port provided by your SSH account. Now enter your username and password, exactly as shown in your SSH account information. Double-check all details to make sure everything is correct. Once completed, return to the main screen. On the home screen, tap the pencil icon. A small pop-up window will appear. Paste your valid SNI host into the field. Make sure the SNI matches the server and configuration you're using. After entering the SNI, save the settings. Now everything is ready. Press the Start button. HTTP Injector will begin establishing the SSH and Stunnel connection. Wait a few moments for the connection process to complete.